Hello. Latvia. Latvia lies in the Baltic region of Northern Europe. It is one of 3 Baltic states. It borders Estonia in the north, Lithuania in the south, Russia in the east. Belarus in the southeast, and the Baltic Sea to the west. The climate. It has a temperate seasonal climate. Information about Latvia. Latvia is a small country with a population of just under 2 million. Latvians and Livs are the indigenous people of Latvia. The capital is Riga, with wooden and Art Nouveau architecture, a vast central market and a medieval old town with St. Peter's Church. Latvian is the official language. Latvian and Lithuanian are the only 2 Baltic languages still spoken today. The landscape. It has wide beaches, the forests are large and dense, woodland covers 40% of the low-lying country. There are 12,000 rivers and 3,000 lakes. The main industries are wood and wooden products, chemicals, petrochemicals, metalworking, machine building, radios, electronics, telephone systems, textiles. Latvia's main export partners are Lithuania, Russia, Estonia, Germany and Sweden. Latvia imports mainly from Lithuania, Germany and Poland. Sports. Ice hockey is the most popular sport. Other popular sports are rally driving, basketball, football and athletics. Food. Traditional dishes include pork with potatoes. Pork stroganoff and chips, the forests, traditional dress and chanterelles. Bye-bye.